Yes, good day everyone. I actually want to show how to connect your SUI Wallet to Seed. If you remember the Seed Telegram mining, then I did some months ago. There's an action to be taken now to connect your SUI Wallet to Seed. So I'm going to show you how to connect it together. You go to your SUI Wallet. If you don't have one, you can easily download from Google Play Store. So you download it from there and you sign up. After you've signed up, there's this link that you're going to use to connect your Seed account. You copy the link, then you open your SUI Wallet. You come to the apps. Then you go up to this enter search or enter URL. So we are going to paste the link we just copied there. Then we say go to open up another page. Fine, as you can see now, there's a Telegram icon here. We are going to click on that to take us to our Telegram app where we have our Seed account. I want to connect this. In this case, we are using the Telegram and you have to kind of sign in. So as you can see, it has come up saying start. You click on start. As you click on start, you click login. And you are logging in with your Telegram app. So you say you have successfully authorized on CSAS. So now go back to okay. Let's go to our Seed SUI Wallet. Let's go to our SUI Wallet and let's open it again as we have been doing. As you can see, the option to connect SUI Wallet is there, and you see what is under now. This is my Telegram account, so it has connected Telegram. So now is to connect the SUI Wallet. You click on connect SUI Wallet, and you click on SUI Wallet among the option. So it's opening. Okay, it has opened. I'm going to click on connect. You see, saying you have to confirm now. This is the next prompt. Confirm. Okay, so you have to sign in to give you approval to connect your Seed to the SUI Wallet. Sign in. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. If you can follow this process, you can watch the video over and over again to ensure successfully linked SUI Wallet. As you can see, so we have successfully linked our SUI Wallet. So this is just a summary of how to go about it. You can go over and over it again if you are not clear with it, so you get a clearer picture of what we have just done.